G'day guys, back again. Finally got my hands on my long-awaited Forcite helmet. It's an Australian owned company. I've been waiting for this since I heard about the Forcite helmets, so over a year. This is their new helmet, the MK1S, and since I got it today I decided to do an unboxing video, show you what it's all about. Okay, this is it. It's a Forcite MK1S. Nicely boxed. Okay, on the top of the box I've got my welcome card with my certificate of authenticity and 12-month warranty. This is my Pinlock 120 anti-fog. Forcite's decided to put a pin lock in there, so that's pretty good. Saves on getting a fogged up visor all the time. Now, here's a quick start guide or pre-start checklist. Couple of stickers, which is cool. This compartment I have my USB charger, plug into the wall. That's to charge the handlebar mount and also the helmet itself. Next up, that's looks like a handlebar mount, and this is the Bluetooth handlebar control. Now, from first glance from this control, you have phone, camera and a map button. I believe the middle button may be your music. I'm yet to find that out. You've got a charging port and your volume up and down on the side. So it's pretty neat little size and shape. Look nice on the handlebars. Looks to be a charge cable. It's a USB-C type. It's probably another charge cable. Yep. This cable here is your instant media access cable, I believe. It plugs into your helmet, into a USB, into a phone. And looks like it has an adapter here for Apple. Next up, we've got the main star of the show. This is the Forcite helmet. Comes already bagged up, nice bag. And it is, it's very light, by the way. It's about 1.5 kilos. It's a lot lighter than the helmet I currently use. And it's full carbon fibre. And they make the best use of the carbon fibre. You can see it all, it looks really nice. And that is the helmet. So with the optional extras, I've got a couple of extras, which was what I mentioned to start with, the pin lock. That's an optional. And I also got the premium liner. Now this liner here is supposed to fit a bit more snug. As you can see, it's nice and tight. This foam here is fairly springy, and the lining inside looks really nice and comfortable. So what we've got here In here is your integrated LEDs. They provide information on could be traffic problems up ahead if it's on the map, police cameras up ahead, fixed cameras up ahead, and when you've got your navigation running through the Forcite app, it will give you a indication where to turn without having to look down at your phone all the time. Up here we have our, might as well take this off because there's no need for it on anymore, is our 1080p action camera. This will be really good for some video blogging later on. Now, from what I can see, you have a fair few air vents all around. These at the top are closable, and of course somewhere for it to come out the back. As far as I know, they have a drop down, yes, they have a drop down sun visor. And the visor can be locked in place. There's also vents at the top, operated by this. So, it's a pretty nice looking helmet. As you can see, it's a MK1S. You see that on the back. Really, really light. I can't stress how light this is compared to my helmet I use at the moment. It's really good. It'll make those long rides a lot easier on my neck and shoulders. So, that's about it, guys. This is the unboxing. This is the helmet. Like I said, Forcite is an Australian company, and the guys have been really good by letting us know the progress of the helmet and how it's going. Any hold-ups that came along, they let us know, so we weren't wondering. So I'll wrap it up there, and next video should be didn't go into the inside. Inside here is Harman Kardon speakers, and apparently it's got dual microphones in there. So yeah, almost forgot that bit. So yeah. Okay, next video I'll do a bit of an evaluation on it while I'm riding. Should be good. Cheers. See you next time.